As part of activities to celebrate this year's Christmas season, wife of Edo State Deputy Governor, Comrade Maryann Philip Shaibu, on 26 December 2023, will be Boxing Day, flag off her annual Women and Youth Empowerment Scheme as she distributes items to people for Edo North under the Women on the Move initiative. The items which she distributes are refrigerators, sewing machines, grinding machines, equator dryers, generators, food items, cash gifts, and many others. According to the wife of the state number 2 citizen, her aim now to continue to help the people to stand gidigba on their own to achieve many things. She constantly begged the beneficiaries to use the items well.
So I gave you transport latte and everywhere and rice. I believe that Maryann Philip Shaibu on empowerment, I can't listen all you. Ma, listen. Obi, I want to listen. So, because evil my Bible government that what the devil meant for evil, God has changed it to good.
When Maryann Shaibu don't commission the items, she talks that this is now the second official phase of the empowerment.
We are going to be launching this second phase of empowerment, the official empowerment. We are Maye's empowerment, but this is our new style. This is the second phase. I'm going to commission it in the name of God the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Congratulations to Amina Abdullahi.
There is nobody that will shake you people. And Limayo. If Philip Shaibu, Limagiyo, Mamo Bimayo. Every year, this year, okay, no halama. Next year, this year, because governor.
Some of the beneficiaries from the empowerment contact say they never see any woman wey be like Philip Shaibu wife, sake of saying that she be the only woman wey sabi hold women for body. They come still talk say them they happy wella for the items, sake of say the items will go far to help them grow their business.
I'm very excited, but like I'm not what she has done to me right now will make my business grow very well. Though I need to phone necessary, and I'm also need to see registration. I believe with the help of this gen, it will actually help me to go a long way.
This afternoon, I did not expect it because since when I follow PDP, I was in APC before. Since when I come to PDP, every time I come here, I always say happy because anytime I come here, what do they do for me? I always say happy because anytime we come, she dey around, she dey do us well. And today I don't expect her. I thank God for her. I thank God for Beneficiary. May God give her long life and prosperity. The most where Beneficiary will do, God, thank you. We dey pray for God. May God let the thing reach her. And I know say one day if it reach her, all of us will be happy to because that time when you go campaign for our place for our support here, when we tell us say see wetin we need, we no get power. Although we get is poor, nobody can do it for us. One hand he do it for us, and we thank God. May God give her and anything when you go find, may God let her reach her. Philip Shaibu.
Since right from day one, these are regular. But this time around, as he remember me from, that's why God will still remember him from me. And God will take him to the highest level in Jesus' name. I appreciate what he did. I thank Maryann, the wife of Philip Shaibu. You know what they say. And God will say, as they remember me today, let God still remember them. Shaibu wife. Now only be the woman when they remember women. Never see woman like that before. And I be the woman wey hold Edo State. But the time of Ambassador, na Philip Shaibu wife, na the Edo State. But the thing now, na Philip Shaibu wife, na the Edo State. Because now I know how to play politics. The other people know how to play politics. So as they take care of woman, na so God must he take care of her.
Make una no forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo North, Ekata, Ojesele, TMC TV News.